What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today, I'm going to do a first impression of a fragrance from the house of Oman Luxury. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. And of course, we all know Oman for these fragrances. Yes, Oman is mostly known in the fragcomm for amouage because some of the finest fragrances, particularly frankincense, myrrh, all those kind of materials are famous in Oman, and these are top-notch fragrances. So let's talk about Oman Luxury, and the fragrance I'm going to do a first impression of is called Belfiore. So Belfiore, I believe, if my translation is correct, if I got it correctly, it means nice flower or beautiful flower, something like that. And look at this beautiful bottle. So I'm not going to do an unboxing because this was a tester unit that I got. So yeah, I did not get the full presentation on this, retail presentation, but look at this bottle. Beautiful stuff. Very thick, heavy bottle with a magnetic cap. And honestly, I did not know if the tester bottles, they come primed already or not. So I will have to find out the hard way. So I have my handy dandy tester strip, and before I proceed with the spraying and testing, let me read out the notes quickly. So we have apricot, carrot on the top. On the mids, you've got osmanthus and gardenia, and on the base, you've got honey, sweet leather, and oak moss. Now, honey, sometimes some people say it's the wax, the beeswax thing, and some people say it's honey. So we'll just stay with honey because it's mentioned on the website. So Belfiore, let's find out what it's all about. I'm going to do on tester strip, and then I'm going to do it on my hand. So here goes. Let's see if it came primed or not. Okay, not primed. So it's like a brand new. Look at all that juice. Ooh, very, very unique opening. Very pleasant. It's got that sweetness, but it's very mild. It's not like in your face or cloying sweetness. Wow. Never smelled carrot in a fragrance. Apricot, carrot, fruit, vegetable. I mean, I was under the impression that this fragrance might be more feminine leaning, but on paper, at least on the top, it's not even feeling feminine. It feels very well balanced. It's very smooth, very airy, light, but at the same time, you do feel the oomph to it. Like there is a very good, like a pushing power on this. Let's do it on skin. Let's see. Let's find out what it's all about. So on skin and on paper, here's the difference that I noticed. On paper, the apricot, like the fruity part, is more prominent. But on skin, immediately after it hits the skin, I feel more like a carrot, the vegetal part of the fragrance popping more. So I feel like there's a depth, very nice depth, like it's a playful one. Florals are popping through. It's a beautiful mix. So I believe the honey might be because it's at the base, and the honey, oak moss, and the sweet leather, it might be popping way later down the line. So far, it's very nice, very pleasant, peaceful. This is the kind of thing that I imagine, like maybe I'm sitting somewhere very quiet. It's very peaceful, not too many sounds all around. Like total peace of mind, absolute harmony. Beautiful stuff. Almost has that creamy kind of vibe to it. Yeah, the gardenia flower is definitely prominent. You feel that. But no way is it smelling too feminine. If you know me personally, I'm not a big fan when it comes to fragrances that are or notes that are smelling way too much feminine. So that's just the way I prefer my fragrances. Yeah, this is nice. Definitely a warm weather beauty. Like this thing is definitely gonna rock during this hot months. Beautiful stuff. Really nice, really nice. Loving this brand. I'm gonna check out some more fragrances from this house, but Oman Luxury. First impression of Belfiore. Beautiful flower or nice flower, whatever it translates to. Lovely stuff. I mean, I would say this is perfectly in balance. It's perfectly unisex. It's not too much feminine leaning, but definitely like it's on the airy, lighter side. So this thing is definitely not gonna become cloying, I hope, I assume. Because so far, I did not see a tendency of it becoming like too much cloying, because like there's the presence of honey. So I believe it's the beeswax. So it's not only the honey, it's most likely the beeswax that was used. That's why it's not that cloying, overly sweet honey. It's very nice. It's lovely. It's nice. It's beautiful. Definitely a must try. Give it a shot. Get samples. Get decants. This is a nice thing. Oman Luxury. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have any other fragrances that you want to recommend from Oman Luxury, something that is worth trying out. I think I got a sample of Kanjar, which is another beast mode fragrance I hear, so I'm going to try that out very soon. Maybe if you want, I can do a first impression of that too. That's like a small sample vial, but that's enough, more than enough juice, I believe, for testing out at least. Do let me know in the comments if you've tried anything from the house of Oman Luxury and whether you like it or not, particularly this one, Belfiore, if you've used this one. I'm loving it. First impression is solid, pretty solid. Very nice, very nice. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.